makes that sound?
Goat.
A what? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Is that a rooster?
Yeah.
Yeah? Can you find the rooster?
Yeah.
The rooster's up here.
Good job.
There you go. Okay, now listen.
What sounds like this?
Is that a drum or a guitar?
And the time.
Guitar. That's right. It's down here.
Well done.
Good job.
What goes like this?
Ooh.
A pig.
That's not a pig. Is that a duck, a clock, or clapping hands? You want to hear it again?
Oops, try again.
Okay, listen. Tick, 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 tick.
One.
Tick tock, tick tock. What do you think it is? Is that a duck or a clock? A clock. Good job.
You're a superstar.
Oh, you were lucky. Got it. Okay.
What makes this sound?
I can't.
A cat. Yes.
I can't.
Yeah. Okay, see if you can see the cat. Where's the cat? Can you touch the picture of the cat?
There.
That is it right there. Can you touch it? Try again.
Terrific.
Good job. Okay, that's good, Jace.